All right, I just wanted to follow up a little bit on the beautiful lightning rays that are going on here between uh, Lufkin, Apple Springs, Crockett, Madisonville, and Anderson and Bryan College Station. Because they look so beautiful, like little firecrackers, fireworks. These anomalies are very cute. So, any case, I'll just do this little update. And remember, when you see stuff like what's been going on right now, you just watch all the areas that are lighting up. Like this area here, this area here, this massive area here, and here. You just watch these areas within 24 to 48 hours, possibly 72, for some severe weather to hit those areas. Sorry to repeat myself from the last video. Okay, there we go. This is gorgeous. I just had to take this again because this is such a beautiful picture. You don't see this every day. All right, moving on to other things. Let's go to face. Oh, hello everyone. Yeah, I'm still here. Let's check out Facebook to see if Joy Jong left me any request. Oh, whoops. Jeez, Louise. Good old Joy Jongs always gives me some video requests. Let's listen to full conversation. So let's see. Good Underground EDM on 92.3 last night. Okay. Let's see. Last night, EDM Radio War in New York City. New York City, Z101, 923, The Loser. So we're just going to keep an eye on here. So I think I got it to everything. So in any case, I hope you guys in Chicago enjoy having your alternative rock station back. Yay! And look forward to more EDM coming in 2014, 2015 due to SFX and Clear Channel joining forces. Yay! Hey, isn't SFX once again the people who brought us 1029 The Planet out of Houston back in 1997? KKPN, an SFX broadcasting station. 1029, The Planet, Houston's modern hit. So, any case, I'll talk to you guys later. I just wanted to inform you of recent updates that haven't been very circulated very much. I've been a little bit behind the times. So, EDM is all the rage right now. Good luck. Of course, Austin's standing still. Austin still thinks it's 2009 and 2008. Possibly even 2007, 2006. So Austin's way beyond the times when it comes to radio. So talk to you guys later. I'm Robert. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm feeling better. I'm not sick anymore. Although I'm just a little bit nervous, but just need to take a deep breath. All right. It's a nice sunny day. Airwaves were like completely dead yesterday. I got a haircut and I need to shave my beard. I use a dog razor because when I use the electric razor, when it's this far shaved, it hits a nerve and it kind of hurts my skin. It like the electric razor hurts after a while when the beard grows out very far. So in any case, talk to you guys later. I'll leave you with the strange harpering thing going on in Texas and Louisiana. It's a mystery how you can have lightning or flares of light come on an area. This looks very hilarious. And also you got this going on again in Louisiana. And also, yeah, there's still Louisiana. Mobile and near the Florida area. So yeah, this is a high amount of frequency to be dropped into the atmosphere. We're just going to have to watch these areas for the next 24, 48 hours, possibly 72 hours. Knowing Texas is going to take a lot longer for it to work because for some reason Texas is some sort of umbrella, particularly Austin. It's hard to get it to rain here in Austin. I don't know why. It's just some sort of umbrella trick that's been going on in Austin for a long time. So in any case, talk to you guys later. Bye.